Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Amazon Kindle Fire tablet. So this is not a new one, this is an older one, and it's also an Amazon warehouse deal. So the reason I did this is because my nephew needed a new tablet, and this is what I found. So it is a Kindle Fire 7-inch with Alexa, of course, and it has 8 gigs of storage, which is not much, but it was only 30 bucks. So I figured this will kind of work in the meantime because he needs to have something. So let's see how good or bad it is. So let's open the package here and see what we get. So this is supposedly the 5th generation, which is a little on the old side. So it's probably going to also be kind of slow, but we'll see. For 30 bucks, I'm not expecting much. And here is our box. So we get a plain brown box with Amazon logos on the top and sides right here. And then you can see what it says here. It does say Fire tablet with Alexa, 7-inch display, 8 gigs, blue with special offers. Previous generation, 5th, used, good. And then we have the vendor as Amazon Electronics. And then it does say certified frustration-free packaging here. So let's go ahead and get our handy dandy knife and cut this open, shall we? All right, we got the handy dandy knife here. Let's go ahead and cut this open here and see what we get in the box. Okay, so what we get here is the tablet right on top here. Looks like that is it. And then we do get our USB adapter right here, as well as our charger. So this is a micro USB to USB-A, probably not new, not a big deal. Let's go ahead and check out the tablet and see how good the condition is. All right, so here's everything from the box. So we get the Kindle Fire, of course, we get a little instruction thing here, our cable and USB adapter, and then it says get started in just a few easy ways. Turn on the device by pressing the power button, unlock the screen, dragging the lock icon, charge the battery by connecting the included USB cable, and connecting the other end to the power adapter. Pretty simple instructions, I'd say. Let's go ahead and check out the condition of the tablet here. So again, I did get the blue one. It comes in this little sleeve here. All right, and we have some goop on the screen right there, but as far as I can tell, can't tell if that's goop or a scratch, so we're gonna have to clean it off and see, but so far so good. Around here it looks like it's in good shape. There's no dings or dents. Yeah, everything looks pretty good here. On the back here, no scratches or anything like that, so that looks okay. So no scratches or dents or dings or anything like that, so it's in pretty good shape. Let's go ahead and clean off the screen and see if that gets this goo off. So after cleaning off the screen, it is in perfect condition, not one scratch. So this is absolutely perfect. So even though it says used very good, it's literally perfect. There's no scratches on the screen, no dents or anything on the housing at all, not a scratch on this at all. So this is in like perfect mint condition. So let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time and see how good it is. All right, we get the Amazon branding right there. So no light bleed or anything like that I can see. So that's good so far. Okay, and that was pretty quick. So it's already started to the lock screen here. Okay, so I guess it's already signed into my account here. That's pretty cool. All right, so it is in fact the Fire 5th generation, as I checked here in the settings there. And if we want to check out the software that's running, the current build that it's running is Fire OS 5.6.0.0, which is of course based on Android. So it's based on an older version of Android, but from what I can see, performance is not too bad on here. So everything runs pretty fluidly. We do have our camera right here. And of course that's not going to look very good. It's going to be kind of garbage, but it's not really meant for that anyway. We do have a front-facing camera as well. So you can see that works just fine also. So not bad for 30 bucks. So the only problem I really have with these Kindle Fire tablets is of course it's missing Google services. So you can't download Google apps from the Play Store. You have to download it from the Amazon App Store. But the good thing is there is a way around that where you can download the Play Store on these usually and get some of those apps. But say you have the kid version, you can't get those apps on the kid side, so you have to use them on the regular Kindle side. So it's just a pain in the butt. But For 30 bucks, I'm not going to complain. This works fine and should be fine, so I'm just going to put YouTube Kids on this, and my nephew should be happy. So anyway, there you go, just a quick unboxing and look at this Kindle Fire 5th generation. So this is a 7-inch model, and again, 30 bucks from Amazon Warehouse. So if you do buy one of these from Amazon Warehouse, and you buy it with, you know, excellent or used, very good, you're gonna get something that's pretty much in perfect condition. So I'm pretty impressed with this. The fact that it's in really, really good shape, everything runs fine, and you get the charger and adapter here as well. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And if you like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.